Good morning from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today I'm going to talk about campaign 2. And in campaign 2, guess what that means? 2019 is very close. It's a great time to start thinking about what your resolutions are for 2019. And this one has all kinds of information about hydration, which we all should be getting more of. And on the front of this catalog is our new Aspira hydration drinks. And they come in these little packets for a 12-ounce drink. And we have flavors of lemon, lime, orange, and berry. And they are buy one, get one half price. 20 packets for $18, but they're buy one, get one half price. So a great way to get your hydration in. They're full of minerals, electrolytes, vitamins, and antioxidants. So today I'm going to talk about a lot of hydration things. Another great thing in the Aspira line is our new Power Greens. I am so excited about them. There's 50 greens and superfoods in these. And there's a nice scoop in there. And in fact, I made it in my shake this morning. I love shakes. You can put so many different things in there, so good for you. Like this one, like I said, 50 fruits and vegetables, organic greens in there. There's all kinds of those. The spirulina, which is good for getting heavy metals out of your body. Organic fruits and vegetables, beets and carrots and apples and red raspberries and blueberries and strawberries and tomatoes and cranberries and pomegranate. Just goes on and on. And then organic prebiotic fibers and probiotic blends, which a lot of them don't have, which I'm very excited that they have. And then also an organic mushroom blend. Mushroom blends are good for cancer stuff. So I think this is like fantastic. Put greens in it's like a salad every day in your shakes. So yes, and you're wondering what it looks like. What this is, it's a powder, and it comes with this scoop, and this, here's how big the scoop is. One scoop of that in its powder. It's great for your daily everything. I think greens are great for everybody. And scoop in. Well, I'll do that in a minute. And then another thing that I put in my shakes every day is our plant powder proteins. We have them in creamy vanilla or the rich chocolate. My favorite is the rich chocolate. And they also have, it's a plant powder protein, which is good, really, really good plant powder protein. And what's kind of cool is buy the greens, get the plant powder proteins half price this time. So I think that is like cool. Another thing in the Aspira line that is new is our vegan vitamin D, and it's sourced from 100% organic mushrooms. And so they're when you look at them, they're in a capsule because they are organic and natural. I just threw it at you. It's just a little capsule, and it has the actual stuff in there. So just one of those a day for your vitamin D. And another hydration kind of thing, and also great for sunscreen. I'm a big believer of sunscreen as well. Hydration and sunscreen is just like hand in hand, you have to have. But a new line now has a new hydration in the Hydrofusion line. It has a SPF 50 broad spectrum, so we have the UVA and UVB protection. Those are in there. They're in an introductory for $17.99. These are for everybody. Hydration, hydration, hydration. And then even our feet this time of year need that hydration. So all of our skincare, our Footworks products are on sale. The Crack Heel Cream, also cleaning business, antiseptic, is on sale for $2.99. And one of our wow products is all the Skin So Soft, the liter size of bottles, and they are $9.99. I just love that. Another one of my favorite hydration lines is the Moisture Therapy. This is the extra sweet cream, but all the different ones are on sale. And remember, we can always have these little fires too. In this little flyer, there's all kinds of sets of things that are on sale. And then the outlet, all kinds of good things in that. One of the things that's in that, make sure you see this. This is a makeup bag. Is this like cool or what? It has a nice handle on it, and it will hold an makeup and skincare. So when you're traveling, hold one, you'll probably do it. But that's in outlet, $8.99. And then you know me, I love jewelry, and this one. Let's just see it. Look at the jewels. It's a blue ice, and would that be so gorgeous for New Year's Eve? An outfit for that. What a way to bring in here. Or if you want to kind of have a neck, you see another choice. Look at that. And what's kind of cool is they're both. You can see it's not sparkling. They're both on sale half prices right now. And this one comes with the earrings. This one here does have earrings and you get to go with it. Okay. Let's see. And then we have jewels, rings. This one is a deeper blue, but we also have a clear and a purple in this. And it's also one of our wild cards. $7.99 this time. They're normally $19.99. So get some jewels for yourself. And then remember, we can always back order. So if you're still wanting stuff for Christmas, get on the e-stores. Mine are your reps. And 26.1 and are on there. And so it's 25. But you can get those ordered for a little bit longer. My campaign 2 is not on my e-store yet, but I am taking orders for them to be delivered. So thanks so much for watching. And have a wonderful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I don't know if I'll see you again. I won't probably post until after the New Year, maybe. I don't know. I haven't figured out when my next schedule is. But Merry Christmas. Thanks much and enjoy your day. Grace Winston, Independent Sales Rep and National Recruiter with Avon.